Where are you from?
Lahore.
Oh, Lahore.
Lahore.
Okay. Yeah, that's really so cool. I'm really so appreciated that you accepted my request. So happy for you.
No need.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
I
you.
think you speak English very fluently. That's I understand because you started English really so like looks like a native speaker. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. What do you do? Are you a student?
Yes.
What class are you in?
Second year complete. University.
Oh, university second year complete. Oh,
University student. Yes.
yeah, okay. I'm really so appreciated. Really so appreciated. I had a
Thank you.
yeah. Do you know what do I come from? Do you know my country name?
Bangladesh. Acha, Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes.
How do you know?
Bangladesh are very nice people.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
And what do you think about Bangladesh? In shortly, if you talk about this.
A little bit.
Ah, okay. Little bit. You know what, sister? I have lots of follower in my Facebook page from Pakistan, but they are inviting me to come over in Pakistan for visiting. But I may come in Pakistan early of 2024. Not early, but middle of 2024. Let's see what happens. Pakistan is really so beautiful country.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
You
so
come my country, then
yeah.
I visit you.
Oh, really? Do you want to visit in my country?
Yes. Yes. You.
Oh, no, I will come.
I'm little bit English.
Okay, okay, I understand everything because I had a lots of PK with foreigner, with native speaker, non-speaker also. So I tried.
But
Okay.
Bangladesh is very nice people. Then
Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you. So happy that you are saying that Bangladeshi people are really so nice. So you know what?
uh,
You know what, sister? Our people, our Bangladeshi people always say when Pakistan get apart from Bangladesh, Pakistan take over all the beauties from Bangladesh. That's why Pakistan is more beautiful than Bangladeshi. So you stunning
that's
looking, so beautiful. Do you want to carry on another 2 minutes? They will give me. So do you want to talk another 2 minutes, or you want to drop here?
okay. Okay.
Okay. So what time is it now in Pakistan?
Again, speak
What time is it now? The time.
for
So
time push
yeah, uh,
four.
almost at 4 p.m. Okay, it's 4:56 p.m. here in my country.
Yes.
And sister, so one thing I want to say, you know,
Hmm.
the Imran Khan, the former president of Pakistan, Imran Khan.
Imran.
Yeah,
Imran Khan.
yeah, Imran Khan. And now the president is Nawaz Sharif, maybe.
Nawaz Sharif.
Yeah, Nawaz Sharif.
Nawaz Sharif.
Yeah, who is the better between Imran Khan and Nawaz Sharif?
Imran Khan.
Oh, Imran Khan is my favorite person. Heart. Imran Khan, you know what? Imran Khan is not a Pakistani president. Imran Khan is all the Muslim countries' president. I think Imran Khan should
Yes.
come again in the power in Pakistan to handle the communities of our Muslim. So I think Imran Khan will come over here, though Imran Khan just has been jailed illegally by the Nawaz Sharif. I hope Nawaz Sharif will lose anyway.
Mm, yes.
I love Imran Khan. I love Imran Khan.
I also love.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining here. I'm really so happy and grateful to you, and
Thank you.
I hope all the best. You do study well. I hope you will succeed in your study and any ways of your journey. And assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Alaikum assalam. Thank you.
Thank you.